We are officially in Key West. So I figured in this video, you guys can come on vacation with us. If you haven't been able to go on vacation this year, this is your little getaway with us. So today, we don't really have much of a plan. We are going to go grab some coffee here in a minute from the Cuban Queen, which last time I was here, I was obsessed with that. And then we have an appointment to get massages in cabanas by the ocean at 2. So you guys are just gonna hang out with us on our vacation. All right, one thing I did not leave without was my AG1. These are the travel packs, which are great for just throwing in your bag. If you use the link below to get signed up with AG1, you will get 10 of these travel packs. You'll also get the omega pills, the D3K2 drops, the shaker, all the things that you need to get started. But the reason I love AG1 is you put 1 scoop in your water, drink it, and it's 75 minerals, vitamins, probiotics, adaptogens, literally everything you need to make your body feel good, especially if you're on vacation. Maybe you're drinking some, maybe you're not eating the best. So everything is in the link below. All right, we went to the Cuban Coffee Queen for breakfast. If you are in Key West, you have to stop at one of their locations. I believe there are 3, and you won't regret it. They have the best coffee. It is so smooth, and it's great. Then my next stop was to get to the water somewhere. This area is called Mallory Square. This is where a lot of people watch the sunset, but we came right in the morning just to get some peace and quiet right by the water, and look how beautiful and blue that water is. Next, we went to the butterfly exhibit. You are literally surrounded by beautiful butterflies, and it is every tropical plant you could possibly think of. They also have flamingos. They have so many things in here that were just so nice to see, and I absolutely love this. It's one of my favorite places when we go to Key West to go to, because you just walk around and butterflies are everywhere. They have a lot of little coves and things that you can sit at and just enjoy the waterfalls and the butterflies. But the goal is to get a butterfly to land on you, and we did. Andrew had a butterfly land right on his head, which was fun. And there are so many different kinds of butterflies. I couldn't even begin to name them, but they have a lot of educational things that you can look at when you're walking through as well. But look at these butterflies just flying all throughout this exhibit. It is so peaceful in here. It is a little hot, so if you are going to go, make sure to wear something that's a little cooler because we started to sweat when we were halfway through the butterfly exhibit. I'll put a link for this exhibit in the description. We stayed at the Douglas house. We decided that we were going to spend a few hours just by the pool, and I really recommend this place. If you guys are looking for a place to stay in Key West, Douglas house is a great place. It is secluded. It's not right on the main strip. It's a little bit off, but easy to get to. They have coffee, tea all day long, and they have little coves where you can kind of relax in the bushes and again enjoy like a koi pond. I literally just laid here for probably 3 hours staring up at these palm trees in the sun. It was so relaxing, and I really needed it. As much as I hate leaving the farm, because if you're a farm, you know that when you leave, it is so stressful because whoever's taking care of your farm typically isn't the one that takes care of the farm. So there's so many things that could go wrong. My in-laws were so gracious to come stay at our house with the kids and watch over the farm. We have spent the morning going all around, enjoying our first few hours here. We've literally knocked out a bunch of stuff. So we are back at our hotel right now, just relaxing, and then we're headed to go get a massage on the beach in a cabana, which I'm so excited about. And Andrew's brother Ryan and his wife will be here at 4:30. We're gonna go to happy hour and probably be in bed by 8 because I'm already tired. So the massage was really expensive for what we got. We got 1 mimosa with our massage, and then it was 80 minutes. It was really nice, but very expensive. Next, we just went down Duval Street. We were headed to happy hour. We grabbed a bite to eat, and then we just went and hung out. We went to this bar called Mary Ellen's. It is so much fun. If you're looking for something to do, and it's just you and your husband, that is a fun place to go. It is a bar, it's inside, but they do like fun spelling bees, and they have like a big wheel you can spin to like win stuff. It was just a lot of fun. So I do recommend, if that's something that you're looking to do, as far as like maybe go to the bar for a little bit, this was a really fun one. The next morning we we chartered a boat. It is the Salty Sandbox, I think. I'll put a link down below, but it was so much fun. We got 4 hours of a private boat, and we got to go out to a couple sandbars and just really relax. This was one of my favorite things that we did on the trip, because it really made us disconnect from going around town and feeling like we were pressured to like go out to eat or anything. They provided sandwiches and snacks for us, so we were able to just hang out in the water, play some frisbee, check out the wildlife, and I truly enjoyed this out of everything that we did on the trip. A lot of Key West is like bars and restaurants, so if you can afford it and want to get out and enjoy the water, I highly recommend it, because this was something that I wasn't too excited about going down there. Is I'm not really like a go out to the bar kind of person, so I wasn't sure really what we would be doing all day long. So the boat was a great thing. So again, highly recommend. After the boat, we went to Mallory Square just to watch the sunset. As you can see, it is absolutely crowded here. You can hardly see the sunset unless you're holding your phone way above your head, but you can see it is beautiful. Then we went out to just go on this ghost adventure, which I do recommend. It was a lot of fun, and it was a lot of history about the town. The next morning, we decided we were done walking, because we walked like 13 miles in one day. So we did pick up a, whatever you call them. And then we went to the beach for a while. This was another great thing to do, especially if you're going to take kids down there. The waves were pretty big, so I don't know that I would feel too comfortable with the kids down there, but all in all, it was a great vacation. All right, guys, that wraps up our vacation to Key West. We had such a good time. It was just nice to get away from the house. The farm is a lot of work, and it was just nice to have a few days to decompress, just hang out with my husband, kind of go on dates with him again, and that was just super nice. However, I miss the kids tremendously, and I'm ready to get home to see them. So we have about a few more hours here in Key West. Andrew went out for a run. My stomach actually isn't feeling very good, so I hung back to like get everything packed and back in our bags, and then we're gonna go grab some breakfast, maybe walk around a little bit more, just check out some more shops, and then we are gonna be on our plane. We fly from Key West to Miami to Pittsburgh. That's where we flew out of, and we'll grab our car there and head home. We're hoping we'll be able to see the kids before they go to bed tonight. But other than that, I just hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog with us. Thank you for checking it out, and we'll be back with bread in the next one. Bye, guys.